How to fix DNS_probe_finished_NXDOMAIN in Chrome. First open Start and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Now type the following command and press Enter. Press Enter. Press Enter. Press Enter. Press Enter. Press Enter. Type Exit and press Enter. Now restart and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, right-click on Start and click on Run. Type ncpa.cpl and press Enter. Right-click on your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection and click on Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and click on Properties. Select Use the following DNS server address. Press OK. Now your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, press OK. Hope your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.